This is GameStop. Here are your price targets for Monday. We ended the week at $22.21, down 19%. This is where we landed. To the north side takes us to resistance and a potential take profit area at 24.81. A gap fills to the north side at 27.57, very close to 3 standard deviations, which is roughly 28.43, and at 4 standard deviations, roughly 31.88. To the south side, back at the middle of the trend and the baseline, 17.66. This gap closes to the south side at 17.38, and negative 2 standard deviations takes us to roughly $10.60. The RSI on the 5-minute time frame is turning up, not quite overextended yet, but getting close. Right here at 70 or above. And if we get to that level, I will anticipate a reversal and this moving to the south side and price following along and then closing out this gap. All right, that's a look at GME. I'm going to go over snow. And we ended the week for snow at 161.86. To the north side takes us to the middle of the trend at roughly 164.24. This gap closes out at 165.02. Another level of resistance and potential take profit area, 166.97, 168.33, and roughly 169.65. Negative 2 standard deviations, 161.54, 160.22, and roughly 158.82. The RSI headed downward. If we hit this critical area of 30 and below, eventually I will anticipate a reversal to the upside and price to bounce off within maybe this line, to go back up and fill this gap. And does it look like potentially a W pattern forming? That remains to be seen. And this gap has closed out to the north side. The last time I talked about, when was the last time I actually looked at it? On the daily, here at 144.64, didn't make it down to this level, started running up, and this is resistance, sell-off, which I anticipate along this line, or this line, and this turns into support, or one level of support, fell right through that, another bounce up, and to the north side on the daily, that is 182.31. The 1-year price target is 206.41, which represents a 27% return from where we are. And that is a look at snow and GameStop on the 5-minute time frame. Have a great trading week.